Nismo Mix. Perkele! Ei! Perkele! Then we put here and here. And then we continue. Goodie! There is this old. This is a little bit loose and this is not good. And there is my new race part. There is this polyurethane and I erase these bushes. And then we continue. Okay, let's go! And then we continue this. There it goes. Use this screwdriver to help it. Then we take this. Bolt. Put this roost to spray. There is the roost to spray. Then we install it. The hole. And then we match it to the positions. There is this bolt. Bolt is coming. Ratchet and wrench is awesome. Okay, then we continue. Put the bolt there. Then other bolt to there. Maybe sneaky. Oh, that was nice sound. Or was it bad? Ah, no, it's good. Then we other side this thing. Then we put this to the good momentum. And it's good. There we have this ball joint. Then we put it to there. And there, little bit finger movements and wang. Okay. Then we put these nuts. Oh no, it's a little bit tight. Okay, good. Then we continue. And then we use this lifter bumper. Bottom of the ball joint. So it gets good grippie. Little bit. And then we tighten it. There's this new. There's also this CV joint there, new. And then other side, new axles and CV joint. Very good.